Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, that is the part 3 of this video, I am going to show you how to log in and how to work with forgot password option as well. So this will be going to be the continuation video of my last two previous videos. So I'll give the link of those videos also in my description box. And yes, in our last video, I've showed you how to work with the registration part, and I'll just show you the work which we have done till our last video. So this is our home page. This is the basic home page which I created, and when I click on get in, it will move to these forms. As soon as I click on get in, it will first show the login form, because you can see in any other websites, like when you start to log in or when you start to sign up, it will first show the login form, and then if you want to create an account, you can just move to the create an account option. Yes. So now I'll just create one account so that we'll have the live demo here. I'll just create the real account now, because at my in my previous videos while testing, I used abc at gmail.com and all. But now let us create the real account. Okay. Yes. Now I'll give the password. I'll just give the wrong password and show you. See, here one letter is missing. Okay, come let us see in our database whether it has been stored or not. Okay, see the data is not stored here, but if we give the correct password and just create, it will show an alert message, and the yes, if you refreshes it, the data will be there here. See, it got created and it will show the date also. Okay, and it will create a new user ID as well. So don't worry. So now what we have to do is that now we'll do the login form. That is, if we give the details, it should enter, or it should show an error, and also the forgot password option as well. So I'll show you how to work with these two. First, I'll just move to the previous code which I have done here. Only the registration form I have done here. For login form, what you have to do is that you have this basic login form which is created, right? In our first video, we created this form. Okay, here you just need to add like the same process what you have done for this registration part. The same process will be done here as well. So what I'll do, I'll just give the new names here: login email, login password. Okay, for button, what I'll do is that I'll add a function here, click function, that is on login. If we log in, login email, we have login password. If we log in with these details, okay, so then it should show an your logged in is successful, or it should show an error message. So that is what the meaning of this. So we have to use this function here in our TypeScript file. So what I'll do, on login, yes. Here inside these common brackets, you need to give the like for the new word which you have taken, like login email and login password which you have given in this HTML form. You have to initiate it. For that, you are getting the input from the HTML, right? So I'll give it as HTML input element. Okay, and for login password also the same thing, HTML input element. I'm getting the input from the HTML part. So then inside my flower bracket, what I'll do is I'll just equate those two, the old email with the new email which I've given, email dot value. And then again, let password, the new password value. Okay, if you have seen my last video, that is the registration video, you'll find it very easily, because the process or the logic which I have used here, I'm using the same codes here as well. Okay, but here one line will be extra, that is the confirm password line will be extra. Other than that, everything is same. So if you follow the registration part successfully, then you can do this login part as well. It is very easy. So now after this, you have to add an if statement. If, like, it should not be empty, is not empty. That is, which is not empty, the email which we give, it should not be empty, and the password which we give also should not be empty. Is not empty. That is, the password should also not be empty. So here after this, like you're using Firebase TS Auth, right? For your authentication and for your database, you are using Firebase. And here we are using the sign in function, that is the inbuilt function which we have with this Firebase TS Auth we are using, so that that will be more easy for us. Email, email, that is, email should be the old email, the email which we give, it should be in the database. So that's why I'm equating these two. And password should be the old password which we have. So on complete, if the details are proper and if everything is done perfectly, then you have to get an alert message as logged in successfully. Okay. Or else, if you have an error, like if something failed here, if something the process is wrong done, then you have to get an alert message saying that wrong email or password. Okay. Yes, I think everything is perfect here. Just add some semicolon to this. Yes, now see, everything is perfect. Come, let's check with our demo. Okay. You remember that while creating an account now, I gave my real account name, that is my real email and all. So I just use this here and check it. And the password. Okay. Oh, wrong email or password. Let me check the password. Okay. Why? I think I've given the wrong password here. I'll do one thing. I'll just go to this and delete this. Delete account, and I'll just create once again. Yes, now the account created successfully. Yes, now what I'll do, I'll just log in. Since I forgot the password at the last time, so I again created that account. Logged in successfully. Okay, so this is the login part. The login part is working correctly now. Now what you have to do is that now let us work with the forgot password option. So for this, the again the same process. You need to give it as a reset email. You need to give the new email, right? Or the existing email itself you need to give, so that it will send an mail to set a new password mail to your email, so that you have to create that. And for the button you need to create a function. So on reset click, I'll give the name as on reset click. And since we have only one name here, so I'm just taking this. Okay, now we have to use this in our TypeScript. So what you need to do is that you need to again same use it in the same way, that is on reset click. You need to have the flat brackets. Inside this common bracket you need to use the new email which you have given, that you are taking from HTML input element. Sorry, HTML input element. Okay. So now after this you need to equate your old email with the new email which you are giving, new email value. Okay, so if this is not empty, the new email which you are giving is not empty, that is the email is not empty, then what should happen is that you are then Firebase TS auth. You are using it in the Firebase TS auth, and you are using the inbuilt function, that is send password reset email. That is the inbuilt function which we have. So in that send password reset email, you are using the email, and on complete you are sending it as, you're sending the alert message. If everything is done, you are sending an alert message as reset email sent to just have this here, or else you can have everything inside the same punctuations. Okay, yes, now we are done here. Don't forget to add here the semicolon. Yes, now we are done. Just only the a little amount of code, and you'll have the inbuilt functions like send password reset email, so that if you check, if you if this condition is satisfied, it will automatically send the reset mail to your mail. So that is what this function is. And also in your login you'll have like function like sign in with, you are signing in that case it will check whether the email and the password which you are using for the login part is same as you have given while you are doing the create account part also. So it will check these two. So these two are the functions, the inbuilt functions which we have in our Firebase. Like use these functions so that it will be easy for you. So now come on, let's check. Here I'll go to forgot password, and I'll give the original mail which I have given. I'll send reset. See, reset mail has been sent to this. I'll just click on OK. I'll just go to this mail and check whether the mail has come or not. See, I got this. Yes, it will come as no reply itself. Okay, as firebase.com, and it will also show your account name, so show your project name as well. Okay, now just click on this link. It will show like it will ask for the new password. See, new password. I'll just type the new password. You can see as well, and I'll just give it as save. So now what will happen? I'll just go and log in with my new password and check it once. Logged in successfully. I'll use my old password and check it once. Let's see what it will show. So I'm using my old password, or wrong email or password. Now I'll use my new password which I have set it now. Login, logged in successfully. Okay, I think you have understood what is the process going on here, and what I've how I've done this everything. So this is very easy. If you understand this registration part, other two are very easy. You can just use the same logic here, and you can do. You can also use this inbuilt functions as send password, reset email, and sign in with function. So these two are very useful for us actually. This is the Firebase inbuilt options here. So S, and the same thing in HTML also I've used the same logic which I've done for this registration part. That is, I've set the new words here, and I've given a operation for my button, and I've used this in my TS TypeScript, and I've given the logic there. That's it. It is very easy. Please follow these steps properly. You will get it. Okay, and thank you for this video. You can share this video to your friends as well. They'll also feel it more informative. And please check my previous videos as well. If you follow those two, then it will be very useful for you. You'll understand it in very perfect way. Okay, and please like this video and subscribe my channel as well. If you want me to explain any other process, or any other functions, or any other thing, you can just comment me below. I'll promise that I'll go through it and I'll explain you. Okay, so thank you for this video. Thank you.